Okay. So, we are just making a volcano. Yeah. 2 or 1.
2.
I want some.
You should have put your face over it. Look how much there is left. Well, there's getting more. Ew.
That was cool. Tristan, don't step on the mud. Remember how muddy our shoes were last time?
Well, you're stepping on mud.
No, I'm not. This is dirt.
It's mud.
Not that much mud.
There's almost none on my feet.
Let's see what happens if I drop another one in. Probably nothing.
Yeah, you just wasted Memento.
So, you done here?
Yeah.
Dang it! That was awesome. That was... I still see it. Did you see it?
No.
You want me to go grab it?
Yeah.
Wait, I lost it. Just a sec. Oh, I see it again.
Oh. Look, guys, it's the ball. Is it still sticky?
Oh, gross.
Is it?
Yeah. No, that's why I said gross.
Funny. Okay. Here you go, Alex.